Okay, here's the remote. The remote is on, so I'm going to go back. And here's the remote, as you can see. Right? It's already removed the plastic. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to press the video record. Nothing. See? Nothing. The same thing on the camera is nothing. And I checked the battery itself. The battery, I removed this screw and this screw and this screw. So I remove all the screw here. This 4 screw, and I checked the battery. The battery has a 2.83 volt. So the battery still have 2.83 volts inside. Let me know.